Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of nature and craftsmanship. In today's video, we will dive deep into the enchanting reclaim of wooden tree stumps from their humble beginnings as majestic trees to their presentation as unique pieces of art. These stumps hold a rich history waiting to the unrevealed. Wooden tree stumps, often overlooked remnants of fallen giants, possess a captivating beauty that transcends the silent witness of nature and strength of this silence become a canvas for creative minds to transform them into extraordinary works of art. Craftsmanship carefully select each stump considering its age, piece, and unique properties to bring out its hidden potential. Describing this remarkable journey is the extraction of the tree stump from the forest floor, the required precise techniques to ensure minimal damage to the surrounding environment. Once the stump is successfully removed, it undergoes a thorough cleaning process to eliminate debris, dirt, and any remnants of the former life. The meticulous preparations led the stage for the stumps metamorphosis into the captivating centerpieces. Next come the intricate art of shaping and carving. Skilled artisans employ a combination of traditional tools and modern techniques to transform Indara stamps into the amazing sculpture. Their art hands goes out of stamp inherent beauty, revealing intricate pattern, texture, and unique features that make each piece one of a kind, from delicate detail to bold and experienced design. The artist vision breathes life into the wood, celebrating its natural elegance. The transformation of wood to stump often involves as an artistic fusion with other materials. Some craftsmanship incorporated metal, accents, glass elements, or even different paints to enhance the stamp. However, these complementary elements add a touch of modernity while respecting the stamp's organic origin. The interplay of different materials creates a harmonious balance, resulting in a captivating piece that seamlessly blends nature and human creativity. Wooden tree stumps find their place not only as stand-alone sculpture but also the functional art form. Craftsmanship skillfully transforms them into functional pieces of furniture, such as tools, coffee tables, and even breathtaking dining tables. The symbiotic blend of art and functionally adds a unique charm to any living space, bringing a touch of nature tranquility indoors. On their aesthetic appeal, wooden tree stamps also serve as a reminder of the importance of sustainable practice by, by reposing voluntary craftsmen who give them a second life, reducing waste and minimizing an illogical impact. Each stamp respect commitment to preserving nature resources and wisdom to the timeless beauty found in the simplest of things. Display in garden, park, or home, wooden tree stump offer a construction to earth's sense. These serve as focal point inviting to the push and appreciate the wonder to the natural world in the era of fast paced living. These stumps remind us to embrace the beauty of imperfection, as on two stamps are never alike. Each bear the marks of the individual journey, feeling a story that captivates the hearts of those who encounter them. The next you stumble upon a wooden tree stump, like a moment, observe its intricate detail, marvel at the relevance and appropriate to artistry it inspires. These simply assuming remnants of nature possess a magic that transport their organic, inviting us to the crush reflect and celebrate timeless beauty found in the world around us. Thank you for joining us on the enchanting exploration of wooden tree stump. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share your thought in the comment section below. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonder that surrounds us.